Reconstruction is a big undertaking. We're here to guide you through the process and return your home to its pre-loss condition. Whether it's water, mold, or fire damage, we're able to handle the reconstruction at your property. Give us a call. Once at the property, our first priority is to ensure your family is safe and if you can live at the home during reconstruction. Then, our team will address anything that could be dangerous or slow us down. Our estimator will evaluate the damages and develop a scope of work. We'll photograph the affected areas for your records and insurance purposes. The estimate will either be written on-site or off-site depending on the size of the project. Reconstruction takes time with a lot of moving parts, and we'll ensure you're involved at every step. Once the estimate is approved and contract signed, we will schedule a handoff meeting to cover what to expect, contract signing, draw payment schedule, selections needed and material allowances, scheduling, safety, challenges. Our project managers do daily checks on the project and make sure to always keep you up to date on the progress. Updates are emailed to you and the adjuster at least once a week. We walk you through any schedule updates as they occur. Pictures are taken regularly for quality control, for your reference, and for insurance claims. Project managers also do quality control checks before completion and again before the final walkthrough. As the project wraps, we make sure you feel confident about all the work completed and the future of your home. We'll conduct a final walkthrough with you to answer any remaining questions or concerns. Finally, you'll receive a signed certificate of completion and we'll process your final invoice.